Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth with Rising Stars Music School, and today I am going to go over some piano basics with you, helping you to find which way is up and which way is down the keyboard, as well as how to properly hold your hands when you're playing. You want your stool positioned so that your arms will be at about a 45-degree angle. It can be up to a 90, but you don't want any sharper angle than 90 degrees. 45-degree angle is pretty nice because it still gives you enough room to span out. So middle C is in the middle of the keyboard, and it's not so much because it is actually in the middle of your keyboard, because as you can see, you have more treble keys than you do bass keys. So it's not truly the middle of your piano keyboard. But middle C is the middle note between the two musical staves. So it is the note that sits directly between the treble staff and the bass staff. So if you were to look at these three notes here on the musical staff, you would see that this one sits on top of the bass staff, this one hangs from the bottom of the treble staff, and middle C is going to be right in the middle of the two on a ledger line. And so if we want to move up into our treble, we have to go this way. So you can see that as you move up, you're going to get into higher pitches. And then as you move down, and so this would be down and up. If you get confused as to which way is up or down, and you haven't quite learned the tones of your piano or keyboard yet, then just simply remember that left is lower, and so the right is opposite. It's going higher. So anytime you move left, even if you start way up here, you can hear that the tones are getting gradually lower as you go down. So if you're moving this way continually, you're going to see that they're moving up. So hands should be placed on the keyboard with the wrist up and on your fingertips. You don't want to play flat-fingered. This will eventually make things very difficult when it comes to playing chords and you have to play multiple keys at once, or when you have to stretch across them. If you're too flat-fingered, you're likely to hit keys that are in the middle. Also, flat fingers mean flat wrist a lot of times, and you're playing like this. This is not very conducive to creating dynamics on your keyboard or piano. So you want to keep your wrist up and you're on your fingertips so that you can very easily press your keyboard or keys on your keyboard using your fingertips. That's all for today. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. If you like this video and would like to continue to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye.